If you are experiencing issues with a Tesla solar or storage product, you can get help using the Tesla app. You can chat with a live customer support agent or send us an email. Our customer support team will help you resolve your issue. When possible, we'll service your system virtually. To get help, navigate to the Energy site in the Tesla app. Tap Support, Get Help, and then the product in need of service. You may be asked for additional information about your product and the problem you're facing. For certain issues, you may be asked to complete a few simple troubleshooting steps. If you're unable to troubleshoot the issue, you can chat with an agent or send us an email. We'll review your request and follow up by phone or email.